How to fix your WhatsApp voice message problem. So first of all, you need to go ahead and exit the WhatsApp if it's running in the background. Open your device settings and scroll all the way down and go to apps. From this page, simply search for WhatsApp application. And once you find it, again scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. Try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Now go to the permission section or privacy and security, and then find microphone and make sure that WhatsApp has permission to use it. Check if this fixes the issue. If not, try restarting WhatsApp application. On an iPhone, you can swipe up to close it. On Android, you can tap on the three bars in the bottom right, then reopen WhatsApp and see if it works. If the problem persists, you can try restarting your entire device. On an iPhone, quickly press the volume up and then volume down button, and then hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears. And on Android, hold down the side button and the power button and then tap on restart. After restarting, try using the voice messages again, and if it still does not work, try uninstalling the WhatsApp application. Tap and hold on to it, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. And finally, reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store and go through the setup processes. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.